To use the ARM Disarm feature on the Smart Guardian app, beside the name of the device, you will see a shield with a gear icon. Click on it. When you do, you're going to see the disarming feature. Now, how this works is that when we turn on the disarming feature, turn on the parameters that we want disarmed. For example, we turn on alarm, turn on email, voice prompt, and we turn it on all the channels. Once we save this, all the alarm out are not going to work because they have been disarmed. The buzzers won't work. The voice prompts won't work either. This is how the disarming feature works. Now that all of these have been disarmed, if you want a particular feature to work, let's say we want alarm out to work, we'll just turn that off. And now the alarm out is going to work. This is how to use the ARM Disarm feature on the Smart Guardian app.